In this video, we discovered the timeline widget from the ttkwidget library. To install the library, again, you just run pip install ttkwidget. After installing the library, you can import the timeline from ttkwidget. So I had this idea: what if the widget timeline will act as an actual timeline? So there is in the source code this left motion function that is bound to the move event of the marker. What if the markers of the timeline will move according to the time? So what I have done is just I copied and pasted the function itself. I kept the parameters, the timeline, but instead of calling them self, because it's a class method, it will be a timeline that will have the parameter as a parameter the timeline, the event that will have x coordinate for the horizontal timeline and y coordinate for the category, and the IID of the marker. Since I've created a marker knowing that its IID equal to 1 and I want to move this marker, so I change one call from the example that calls the after method from the main window, from the tk main window. After 1 second, it will call this left motion function with the parameters, the timeline, fake or dummy event that will have this 100 and 200 coordinates that will correspond to the next x and the next y. And the IID value of the timeline, we have the IID of our marker equals to 1. After 1 second, our marker should move by 1 second to specify that there is movement. So it moved horizontally and vertically to ensure that the marker will not move, or to specify the desired category. We will have to access this property that arose from the timelines, and we will access with the key as the key of the category, and then the first index of the tuple associated to that category. For example, if we want our marker to stay in R1, we will just specify index 0 associated with category 1 from the house property or dash house property. If we want it to move to R2, all we have to do is to specify here the y of the line 2. Now, let's say I want it to be start at row 2 and be still and remain at this row. So all we have to do is just change this to 2. Now, if I want it to move to row 1, it will move to row 1. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.